Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on a Tecno Pova Neo 2. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings, inside scroll down and look for the special functions. When we enter it, we can navigate to the micro intelligence, and then first option is a quick start, and you can draw certain things on your lock screen to activate them. For example, draw C to open camera, draw M to open YouTube music. And you can assign different actions right here. So there's a W, we can click on it, then I'll either toggle something or start a certain app. In this case, let's go with Chrome. Now we can lock our screen, draw C, and it opens camera. And you can experiment with the rest. I won't be showing you all of them. Then next thing is tapping wake. When activated, you can double tap on a locked screen to wake it up. Another one is music gestures. So you can control music like a multimedia, Spotify, YouTube Music, etc. By performing different gestures to control, as I said, multimedia. So if we swipe from the left to the right, it should play. If we do it like that, it should play next track. If we do it like that, it should play previous track. If you swipe up like this, it should stop the music, and if you swipe down like this, it should start playing that multimedia. Next is flip to mute. When activated, you can flip your phone to mute incoming calls. That means put a screen to the table. Raise to ear. When activated and you receive a call, you can raise your phone to your ear to answer that call. Next is smart screen on. The screen lights up when the device is picked up and lights off when the device is lowered. That means when activated and you pick your phone with a grip, it should wake up a screen without touching any buttons, and when we put it down, it should lock the screen. Next is answer calls with gestures. Automatically turn on the front camera to recognize hand gestures for answering or declining incoming calls. So if you show your two fingers in front of the camera of your phone, it should answer the call. And if you want to reject it, you will need to show the entire palm of your hand. And the last one is screenshots. And there's multiple different options. Let's start with the take screenshot with 3 fingers. We need to enable each of them below, right here. We need to slide down our 3 fingers to take a screenshot. Then there's a partial screenshot. Hold your 3 fingers onto the screen. That way you'll be able to select amount of the screen you want to capture a screenshot for. Then there's a scrolling screenshot. Long press the power button and volume down button to take a scrollable screenshot. That means a full page screenshot. It should work like this. And the last one was drag to delete. So if you capture any screenshot, you may notice it shows up in the bottom left corner of the screen. Now you just need to swipe it down or move it to this bin, and it should delete that screenshot without you going through the gallery. And that is all of the gestures and motions available on this device, and that is it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.